it's Gina with WTI, and I am absolutely obsessed with these wooden pathways that I got from Spurgehom. I think they make such a nice addition as pathways through my raised garden bed area. It just makes it look so cute and finished, and I love how smooth this wood is. This is made out of pressurized cedar wood, and by the way, it's really well packaged so that when you receive it, there's not going to be any kind of damage to the boards. There's no nails or screws that you might accidentally bump your feet on. These are anti-slip as well. There's nice grooves in it that give it a really pretty texture as well. These are made with rust-proof steel wire ropes and anti-aging spacers, so they're made to last. This wood is weather resistant, which is really good because I live in a rainy area of the Pacific Northwest. And this has already withstood a lot of different weather that we've had over the last few weeks. I love that this fits uneven ground because I'm also using it as a pathway up to our home, which, as you can see, has a lot of different grooves in it. It's a little uneven, but this fits perfectly over the top and is super easy to walk on. I got two 12-foot by 17-inch paths, and these are so nice and long, and they just look amazing wherever I put them. I definitely need more in order to complete the look around my garden and home. I also appreciate that they're low enough that my robot lawnmower can easily go over the top of them without me having to set up a boundary wire around them. These are great wooden pathways. I absolutely love them. You're not going to be disappointed, and that's my point of view.